I'll discuss with you conjunctions as I earlier discussed with you some of the components pertaining to conjunctions. Now I'll discuss with you some of the components which were remaining. You see this conjunction not only but also. So this is very complicated conjunctions. We will have to see where to place the also. Sometimes we will be placing also before the noun. You see the example simple. Not only India, but also Pakistan is poor. You see here, not only we place here before India, but also place before Pakistan. So sometimes we may be using what not only India but Pakistan, but also Pakistan is poor. Yeah, not only India is poor, but also Pakistan is poor. So this is sequence. You should know that not only is always followed by but also. Many of the times I have seen many of the speakers, not only India, they will speak like this, not only India but Pakistan is also poor. ऐसे कर देते हैं. So this is right sequence. You will have to keep all these things into your mind whenever you are finding out which and where error is lies. So most of the times we may be using this conjunction either or. Either or, neither nor. So either is always followed by or. Neither is always followed by nor. So I will quote example that how to use it as conjunctions. Either she or I am to blame. I am to blame for this predicament. Predicament means situation. Either she or I am to blame. So both, you see, she is subject, I is subject. So both we will have to see. You will definitely have this question there into your mind. Why we are placing the verb there before, after second subject. So this is also rule. If you will be going through the agreement of verb, then you definitely come to know as and when we are placing either or together to express two different actions by using two different subjects. Simultaneous action is being taken place. So we will have to see the second subject. Second subject, that is I. So that's why we have placed here am. So this is very technical sentence. Many of the people say that I enjoy a very good command over language. But as and when he will be speaking, he will commit thousands of mistakes. Whenever he is writing, he will be committing many of the mistakes. These are minor mistakes. Neither Ravi nor his friends friends were away. You see there. Neither Ravi nor his friends. Two subjects. Neither is always followed by. Neither we can place independently also. But that is totally different. That may not be used there in conjunction. Whenever we are talking about the conjunction, we will follow this rule. Either is always followed by nor. Either is followed by or, neither is followed by nor. So it's more example we can quote. Many of the time you see many of the time you might have seen although. लोग इसके साथ क्या करते हैं? जेट की जगह क्या करते हैं? व्हाट लगा देते हैं. I have seen many of the learned persons. They commit this mistake while they are speaking or they are writing. Although is always followed by a jet, not but. I will quote an example. Although he is lame, yet he can run fast. Although he is rich, yet he is miser. So most of the time people speak, although he is lame but he can run fast. Although he is rich but he is miser. Many of the times, or this sentence I have seen many of the time there in the final examination. Because these are minor mistakes. You might have seen lest, should. This is conjunction. He works hard